pangit mo.
Ow!
Ginagawa niya.
Careful, Central.
We have captured the control point. Alert! Our control point is being captured. Alert! The center control point is being contested.
Go!
Let's go. Ginagawa niya.
Alert! The center control point is being contested.
Nagpapanahon ka ba? Uy, baka magganyan. Nagpapanahon ka ata eh.
Alert! The center control point is being contested. Mission is done in 60. Alert! The center control point is being contested.
Boy, ang ingay mo! Ginagawa mo. Leave ka na, boy. Pakita mo lahat ng green.
The center control point is being contested. The mission is over in 10 seconds. We have captured the control point. Alert! The center control point.
Mag-leave ka na kasi. Kala mo kasi nabubuhay ko eh. Mag-leave ka na kasi dyan. Patay mo lang yan. Tingnan mo, mamamatay.
Alert! Overtime!
ba? This is my brain rot. Money talk. Money talk. Store, di ka, store. Ano lalaban ka? Ha? Sa taas ito ano. Pero tignan nyo to. Pakramat naman. Tapos yung isa pa kung ang account gamitin mo nga. Ayoko. Para makita nila yung secret ko. Oh, guys, ikakat muna namin to baka makita niyo yung password Oo nga Ito yung Boy! Ito yung pangalan ng babalik. Okay, this is my friends. Ito ang aking account. And this is my cousin's brain roots. This is my brain rot. This is my brain rot. More secret. More secret. More brain rot. Hey, who wants a job, guys? Who wants a job? Who wants dali may hotspot dapat? Who wants na may hotspot? Wala na dyan. Wala na dyan, sabi mo. Who wants na may hotspot? Guys, who wants my cousin's hotspot? I mean, lost na my hotspot. Yeah. Who wants... Wait lang, boy! May Boy! Boy! Wait lang, boy. Wala akong boy. Wag yan. Hey, Alonso, wag! Sabihin mo. O, nang. Alis ka muna. Ito sa nagde-record. Saan? Saan? Sabihin mo! Sabihin mo mag-sorry daw muna siya. Sorry. Siya! Wag na magdaw, gagi. Oh my God. Kung paano nakikinig mo? Oo nga rin. Ikaw nga. Ako nagsabi. Pati pet mo ba? Ikaw naman. Una na to. Oh, yaray. Sorry. Oh, sino gusto ng chicletera, bichicletera? Oo nga. Ay, hindi pa nga nakaano. Ay, sorry. Sino gusto ng chicletera, bichicletera? Oo nga. Pakita mo sa kanila mga viewers. Ayan o. Anong viewers mo? Akin to, diba? Yung ano na to? Mga money, collect mo yung mga money. Ayan. 1.9 trillion. Wala na dyan. Ay. Wala na dyan. Ay. Pag nag-join ulit siya, sabihin mo, naka-unblock na. Oo. Ipunta ka nga doon. Papasok ko dyan. Sige. Kung yun ang ginagawa mo, ganito yun Huwag mo na kasi pindutin. Oh, pasok na guys sa fuse machine ay sa craft machine. Di na kayo makakaano dyan guys. Kailangan nyo mag-reset dyan. Okay, sorry guys. Mamaya muna. Wait lang. Sa ibang game naman tayo kasi masyado na ako malakas para sa mundo ng mga tao. Gusto ko na
Next up, soda.
Sa mga mundo ng halimaw.
Alright, can you spell best?
Best. B-E-S-T.
Can you spell run?
Ay. Run.
The next word is mug.
M-U-G.
Your next word is
D-I-R-D. Hand. Funny.
Alright, try spelling.
Boy, iba naman. Iba na muna.
Can you spell
Hirap yan. Try natin yung advance. One try lang, one try, promise. Kapag nananalo, di pa ulit-ulit na. Oo nga. Ang hirap yan, boy. Ayan na, boy. Okay na, okay. Ikaw.
The next word is humanitarian.
Hindi ko alam yun. Lagot ka! Lagot ka! Ay!
Your next word is translucent.
Translution. Translution. Trans. Ano ba ginagawa mo? Sige ka, dito lang, no voice na lang. No voice na lang, boy. Moderation na lang dapat. No voice. Okay na yun. Black. You're
Next
black!
up, black. Can you spell foggy?
Foggy. Ah, sige kayo na, foggy. Basta sa akin, ang
Next up, crowd.
Sayang. Sayang yung ano
Can you
yan, yung
spell
sound niya.
monk?
Bonk. Pares. Panalo ka. Hindi ako nanalo. Yun, so, ikaw nanalo. Ate yung nanalo. Bakit ko?
Next up, film.
Film. Bro! Yan. Ano film
The
eh?
next word is
What film
greedy.
eh? Greedy! You're greedy!
The next
Kala
word
ko
is
greedy.
soup.
Nila.
Alright, can you spell emoji?
Boy! Ah! Ba't na pinili?
Alright, can you spell defy?
Sabi mo, moderate eh. Huwag dyan yung
Next up,
yung
paradox.
pakasabi. Pakasabi sa taas. Salita na.
Can you spell strategic?
No voice na lang pala. Mahirap.
Alright, try spelling crowd.
Nandito na naman tayo sa server, no? May ibang ano.
Alright, try spelling trauma.
Trauma.
Can you spell workout?
Workout. W.
Alright, spell convey.
Hindi ko lang. Dali. Yung deserve. Ganyan-ganyan pa kasi. Sikat. Script ko lang yun. Hindi ako kanyan pag inanahin. Hindi ko ako yun. Joke lang.
Please spell quack. Your next word is bingo.
Ayun lang. Yun na naman.
Alright, can you spell comply? Spell shake.
Shake.
Your word is foggy. Alright, spell irony.
Ano daw?
Irony.
Irony lang.
Can you spell human?
Maliw ka. Yung punishment doon. Ay.
Alright, spell
Joke lang
zoo.
kasi yung punishment.
The next word is walk. All right, try spelling twist.
Good.
Next up, noble. Next up, drink. Your next word is house.
House.
The next word is pasta.
Basta.
Your word is orange. Spell sigh. Your next word is dairy.
Dairy.
Your next word is pear. The next word is proof. Can you spell ash? All right, spell cliff.
Cliff.
Your next word is emoji. Your next word is cabin.
Kevin Durant. Kevin Durant. Sa beginner mo na.
All right, spell Can you spell vulnerability? All right, can you spell Palatine?
Ano yan eh? Ang hirap yan eh. Di talaga. Ano siya? Tinapak. Sina? Oh. Hindi naman yan. Advance yan eh. Di talaga.
Next up, transparency. Can you spell abhorrent?
Ay.
The next word is surrogate.
Patay ka. Ay.
All right, can you spell hourglass?
Hourglass.
The next word is legendary.
Diba? Di naman yan na yung may...
Can you spell detrimental?
Iyo ko na. Ay, okay. Kaya mo yan ah. Kaya mo yan ah. Kaya mo yan ah.
All right, spell adolescent.
Papatalo ko talaga to kapag pumunta ka sa akin. Ano nga to?
Please spell passionate. Please spell recession.
Session. Hirap. Patay ka. Hindi. Ako na.
Spell reliability. Your word is sentimental.
Ano?
Sentimental. Next up, procrastinate.
Ayan, malapit na eh. Oh.
Your word is stereotype. All right, spell abscond.
I'm gone. Basta mga... Sabi na lang, boy. Babay na. Mat naman, yung mat. Kagi, ba't naka-ano? Okay lang. Ba't naka-stop? Ito, try natin. Math number. Eh, bro, hindi nga gumagana. Anong hindi gumagana yun, oh?
What's the answer here?
Litan tayo, ah.
What's the answer here?
Headshot.
What is the answer to this question?
Kalbo! Umupo ka na kaya.
What is the correct answer?
Tama ka ako. Ganyan eh. Okay ko na.
What's the answer
Kalbo!
here?
Dalawa kayo. Kalbo! Ay, tatlong pala yung kalbo dito eh.
Answer this correctly.
Ito yung ano. Mali, 4. Wow. Avatar ko. Ganito ka ba, mahamay mo to?
What is the answer to this question?
What is the answer to this question?
Answer this correctly.
Sagot ka, hard yan.
What's the answer here? What's the answer here?
8 minus 3. 5.
Answer this correctly.
15. 15. Kasi, walang utak yung player na to.
What is the correct answer?
Ano sagot? 5.
What is the answer to this question?
Ano sagot dyan? Wala. 84.
What's the answer here?
Ano sagot dyan? 2. 2. Mali. 2. 4.
What is the correct answer?
Paano mo kukutungan ko to? 6, 7!
Answer is correct.
Mali, ganito no. 6, 7, 6, 7. Sige. Ano? 3,
Answer this correctly.
Impossible! Gaan sa 99. Ang galing nga.
What is the answer to this question? What is the answer to this question?
Ano yun?
What is the correct answer?
Divide yun, divide. Divide.
Answer this correctly.
4.
Answer this correctly.
Smart mo pala eh. 8.
What's the answer
11.
here?
8 pala. 2.
Answer this correctly.
63. Ay,
What is the correct
Paano yung
answer?
Yung...
What is the
Ah, baka
answer to
ganito
this
yun, no?
question? Answer
Ay,
this
hindi ko
correctly.
nakita. 77.
What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer?
Ah,
What's the
alam
answer
mo,
here?
Oo nga.
What is the answer to this
Ay,
question?
smart naman nito. 176! Yes!
What's the answer here? Answer this correctly. What's the answer here?
Ang dali.
What is the correct answer?
Ang dali. I-dance. Dapat nag-i-dance ka kapag ganun. Tatalitan tayo bula. Yeah. Ilabas mo na yung i-dance. I-dance. Mamaya mo na i-ano. I-save mo lang kapag nanalo.
What's the answer here?
I-dance.
What's the answer here?
Pag nagkamali ka, lagot ko sa akin ah.
What's the answer here?
9. 9. Yung ano na to, pay ko na ito. Ay,
What is the correct answer?
3.
What's the answer here?
5. Ay, 5. Nagkamali ako. Kala ko, ano yun? 1 plus, 1. 5. Oh, ulo ang tanga.
What's the answer here?
Mura kay punishment ay 5. Tinuturuan nila.
What's the answer here?
Good job. 8 plus 8. Hindi ko alam.
What is the correct answer?
Niloloko ka lang naman eh. 6 plus 9.
Answer this correctly.
Zero! Zero! Pati yung medium! Mulog. Ikaw na huli. AFK pa nga.
What is the correct answer?
7 plus 7. 14. 14. Okay, 14.
What is the answer to this question?
7. 7.
What is the answer to this question?
No! Pangit, no?
What is the answer to this question?
Sabi Bro!
Answer this correctly.
15. Yan. Diba?
Answer this correctly.
0. 0.
Answer this correctly.
1. Tangkang extreme. Anong extreme? Hindi yan extreme. Punishment.
Answer this correctly.
21. 21. Ay,
What is the answer to this question?
9 plus 12.
Bisa mo.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
What is the correct answer?
Ako naman.
Answer this correctly.
Ano to? 0. Ay. 20!
What is the correct answer?
Dang! Yun lang yan. Gab, kasi ikaw naman nagkamali.